So I will be explaining you the project for the Winter of Code 8 for the Django category. So you have to make a job management system kind of project where there will be two categories of user mainly. One, the employer, and the one seeking the job. So, so as you can see, either we are job seeker or we are employer. So for both, we should be providing a sign of functionality, taking the name. Like this, we can sign up as a job seeker. After sign up, we should be directly being logged in. Uh, you can see which jobs are currently listed. As you can see, media manager for a Bluff IT company. And yes, and we should have the option to apply for this job. For the application, a resume must be necessary. So for here, I think I can give any video. Okay. And we can also provide a cover letter saying something like this. We submit the application for that job. Yes, and then we can see that now we have applied to this job. We can see our application. You can see the resume. From here, we can go home. From here, we should be able to see our applications. Similar functionality we have to provide as an employer. Now, for the employer, we have decided for now two type. A company might have its direct account in the site, or we can have an HR representative who will be representing the company. If the employer is HR, then we have to provide the organization name, for example, and the first and last names of the HR. And let's say this is Bangalore. As you can see, now we have been signed up as a employer, and as we are employer now, it comes post a job and the jobs we have posted. Earlier, when we were signed in as a job seeker, we were like job postings available and the applications that we had made. So now we can post a job. For example, as you can see here, the company name stays the default. Like you cannot change it because then it will be a anomaly that you are a HR of some other company and you can post a job for some other company. So be sure that this becomes Google itself. The rest is again the same as we had seen. or yeah, we are we are expecting you to try an API for finding the location. The location can be found by reverse geocoding the latitude and longitude coordinates that you get from your browser. For example, yes, so as you can see, I am currently at this location. So the location shouldn't be exactly your address, but city, state, and country. You can choose what's the job types, choose the salary names. Currently, we want this to be active as we are just posting the job. Mm, yes. So as you can see, these are the jobs I have posted. We can view it, we can edit it, we can delete it. Also, apply now with the button is there, but on pressing it, we can see only job seekers can apply to the job. So be sure that you have the appropriate validations for any URL calls that you make. Also, this is the user's profile. You can edit it. You see, and these are the jobs. Uh, for jobs, mm, there should be some search functionality present, some location functionality present, and the type of job. These are the minimal filters that we will be expecting you to apply after finishing the project. And that's it for the project. Also, as the theme for this project is Halloween plus winter, so uh, there won't be any special evaluation that if you do, but if you can, then please try to make the front end more winter oriented or Halloween oriented, and you will get some extra brownie points. The evaluation won't be affected, but some bonus points will be provided. And also for the backend part, you can, for a particular functionality, you can present a Halloween sort of functionality. For example, this is, as you can see, the same site, but for example, this is just for a sample that if the site is browsed between a particular time, then it will say that this is reaching our vacancies and enter at your own risk and back to save this sort of stuff. So you will also get brownie points for that too if you can implement it the backend. So all the best, and we are here for any guidance you want.